Hi there, I'm Ross, and welcome to this course on finding profitable products to sell on Amazon with Jungle Scout. Before we dive right in, I want to give you a quick overview of my personal background and why exactly you should listen to a single word that I say. So I own 3 businesses, and the one most relevant to our context is an Amazon FBA business. And I began my own journey into Amazon FBA around 5 years ago, and ever since starting, I've been completely obsessed with growing and scaling my business. And the reason I began offering these coaching services was to help others grow their own FBA business, so they can achieve the lifestyle that they want to also. My entire mission is to give back to the FBA seller community so that they can have the same success that I've achieved. And I want to be clear from the outset, the road to getting my business where it is today was not a walk in the park. In fact, at the start, I wasn't sure it was going to work out whatsoever, but I quickly learned that where I was going wrong was the product selection process. After realizing my mistakes, I made it my mission to learn how to select the best products to sell on Amazon. Then, after I'd learned how to select the best products, I put my skills to the test, and I ordered my next batch of products from Alibaba. And the product was an instant hit. My business went from selling at a loss to bringing me in a very comfortable income. And then it was simply a case of rinse and repeat over many months. Now I say this not to brag or to try and impress you, but to impress upon you the message that no matter what place you're starting from, whether your business is selling at a loss or you're making tons of profit, with the right level of motivation, you too can select the best products to sell on Amazon and create the life for yourself that you desire. And I am living proof of that.